Marco from Auto Magicians here with another video, this time discussing the differences between OEM or dealer parts and aftermarket parts and which one is best for you. Every accident, every fender bender, every situation is different. We want to make sure you have all the information necessary for you to make the right decision. First off, what is OEM? OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, meaning that the part was produced by the original manufacturer of the car. In the case of this Corolla, the part would be coming from Toyota. OEM parts offer the best fitment possible for your car. Every part is made to the exact specifications of your car and require little to no adjustment to make the part fit. Aftermarket parts are produced by third-party manufacturers, and the parts are made to be compatible with the year, make, and model of your car. Aftermarket parts in general are cheaper than OEM parts, but often require some adjustment to make them fit. Also, keep in mind there are grades of aftermarket parts. Some are more cheaply made than others, and the price will follow suit. So basically, if you're picky about the look of your car and you want it to be as perfect as possible, you'll want to spend a little extra for the OEM part. On the other hand, if your intention is to save money, but sacrifice a little bit on quality, then aftermarket is the choice for you. This is a brand new Toyota Corolla with only 65 kilometers on it. The aftermarket parts are available, but the customer opted for the OEM option because of how new it is, and also because the OEM parts were reasonably priced. Every situation is different, however, and there are definitely pros and cons to both. So that's it for this one. If you have any questions or you want a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email, or call. Also, don't forget to check out our website, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.